CoConstruct versus Procore, which software offers better construction management tools? That's the question we're diving into today, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one offers the better suite of features for managing your construction projects. But stick with me, because I'll also be showing you a better alternative you might not have considered. Let's start with CoConstruct. This platform is primarily known for its simplicity and focus on home builders and remodelers. CoConstruct gives users everything they need to manage budgets, schedules, and client communication all in one place. One of its strongest points is its client-facing features. The ability to send real-time updates to clients and manage selections and change orders directly through the software is a big plus. However, the learning curve can be steep, and while CoConstruct is strong in custom home building and remodeling, it might not be the most flexible option for larger-scale construction projects. Next thing to consider is Procore. This is a massive player in the construction management software space, designed for larger commercial and residential projects. Procore offers a complete suite for managing everything from project management and budgeting to quality and safety tracking. Its biggest advantage is scalability, as it caters to projects of all sizes and complexity. Procore excels in its robust reporting and analytics tools, offering insights that can help teams stay on track with timelines and budgets. But here's the catch: the interface isn't as intuitive as CoConstruct, and the pricing can be steep for smaller companies. The third thing you should know is how these platforms handle team collaboration. CoConstruct is more focused on communication between builders and clients, but Procore brings a higher level of coordination to the entire project team. Procore includes features for architects, contractors, and project managers to stay on the same page in real time. However, this means more complex navigation, which might be overkill for smaller, more streamlined teams. Moving on to pricing, both of these platforms offer subscription-based models, but the cost can vary significantly. CoConstruct offers more budget-friendly options, particularly for smaller operations or those just starting out. But as your needs grow, so does the price. Procore's pricing is more opaque and tends to be higher, especially when you're adding on additional users or features. For the smaller contractor or builder, CoConstruct may seem like a more affordable option up front, but as you scale, Procore could provide a better ROI in the long run, assuming you need those additional features. Now, while both CoConstruct and Procore offer strong management tools, there's a major point that both of them miss: ease of use combined with the right balance of features at a price point that makes sense for most contractors. After trying both platforms myself, I found them to be powerful, but lacking in certain areas where a different solution could really shine. And that's where the better alternative comes in. After trying both CoConstruct and Procore, I found a tool that offers everything you need to manage your construction projects without the headaches of complicated interfaces or sky-high pricing. If you want to discover a construction management tool that gives you the best of both worlds, simplicity and robust features, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, this is a game changer. So, while CoConstruct and Procore are both solid options for construction management, if you're looking for something that offers better overall value, the solution I'm recommending is worth a try.